In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a content calendar in ClickUp. First, open ClickUp and go to your team space. This is where your projects and shared work live. Make sure you select the right space where you want your content calendar. Next, click on the three dots next to your team space name. From the menu, select Templates. Then click on Browse Templates. In the search bar, type Content Calendar. You will see different template options. Choose the one that fits your workflow. For example, some are better for weekly planning while others are designed for monthly content tracking. Click Use Template. Now give your content calendar a clear name. Something like 2025 Content Calendar or Social Media Planner works well. Next, customize your template. You can adjust task statuses like Idea, In Progress, Scheduled, and Published. You can also add custom fields such as platform, content type, or due date. Take your time here so the calendar matches your workflow. Once you're happy, click Use Template again. Your content calendar is now created. You can start adding tasks for each piece of content. Use dates to schedule posts and switch to calendar view to see everything visually. You can also assign tasks to team members and track progress easily. If you make changes, remember to update your template so future use stays consistent. That is how you create a content calendar in ClickUp.